Eat your apples, cows. Living the dream. Living the dream, buddy. Living the dream.
He weighs about 45 pounds and is in great shape. It really is a dating profile.
It is.
He ran and played with the other dogs here just like a puppy. He rode well in the car, was not too difficult on a leash, and comes when called. I think this boy has a lot of love to give and will make a wonderful companion for anyone. He does.
Oh, we're coming up on the Scranton exit. Scranton! Powerball $71 million this week.
We gotta buy some tickets.
Won't get rich, Scranton. Change your name to Scranton. Max, buy me some fireworks. Exit 219. Exit 219, Max, fireworks.
Oh my.
Welcome to the Scranton Expressway, where all your dreams come true.
Yeah.
You're clearly a horrible parker. I mean, look at that amount of space.
This is not a Mini Cooper.
That.
It's parked like one.
Greet us, huh?
Hey, hi.
Have a seat. Yeah, he, when we're walking him, I walk over right where you turned in. There's a big account. Most of them are, there's quite a number of women that live there single, still yapping at him. But when he sees a big dog, there's a, and it's funny.
Where they point.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, I've actually seen dogs point at pigeons in the city.
Oh, he probably would.
A man and his new dog.
Pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Nature. Nature at its finest.